Hey friends, if you encounter the WAN 9003 error on your Windows system, then please try the following solutions. The first solution is to enable secure boot in your BIOS on your Windows computer. And to boot into the BIOS mode, you'll have to press the function key like F1, F2, F12, depending upon the brand of your computer. Reboot your system and start pressing that key again and again. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the security tab. Go to Secure Boot using the arrow keys once again. Hit Enter. This will open the Secure Boot control menu. Hit Enter once again. Change the option to Enabled. Hit Enter to save the option. Now Secure Boot will be enabled on your system. All you need to do is reboot to Windows 11. So go back to the Security tab, use the arrow keys, save and exit. Hit Enter for yes, and this will boot you into Windows 11. The second solution is to check the status of the TPM. All you need to do is press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command tpm.msc and hit enter. This will open the TPM management window and check the status tab. If it mentions the TPM is ready for use, then everything is good. If the TPM is not ready for use, then you will have to clear the TPM and try checking it once again. But if it still doesn't help, then you might have to add a TPM or use a different system to launch Valorant. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, then please subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, let us know in the comment section and we will investigate further. Have a nice day.